Hey! Adam Mado. Ọkwa mma ọ ga-adị na terri mma. Ị na-edi na-agbata ego. Ị na-esekwu agbata ego. Ị na-achịrị ogbe enu agbata ego. Ọ ga-adịrị mma nwa m. Oh. Aha.
Afonshi Nketa Udele Gebo.
I'm sorry.
You want blood tonic? I will give you overdose. Madman.
I'm sorry.
Ngodo. Yes, boss. Is this the only money you found in this house? Yes, boss. Only this? Ane Koga. Shame unto you. Ine Koga ki wenenko. Neme the mother intimidate na this community.
I am very sorry.
Nge mechi ya kwa now. Ngodo. Ziego gano. Hallelujah! Nge mechi ya now. Nge nego overdose now. Madam. Toperem. Tuhere meite. Tuhere container.
I got speaking of N.W.A.
And Emeka to here. Tuhere container. Tuhere container. Come here now.
That's my wife.
Lalo. That's my wife.
Can we hear us sitting now?
That's my wife.
Hey, that is my wife. That's my wife.
What is that?
My wife. Hey! That's my wife now. That's my wife. That's my wife.
Hey! Come here. Come here. Your father wants blood tonic. I will give him overdose. Give it to me from the back.
That's my virgin daughter. That's my virgin daughter.
She's a virgin. I love virgins.
My virgin daughter.
Shut up.
My virgin daughter.
Shut up.
Obakwa. Ndị atụ asị onye ụkwa virgin. Ndị atụ asị Ọba. Express. Express.
You want to go? President Ndala. How you go my lab before? 1 month. 1 month. 1 month. What idea? You know, I am like Sala go with my God.
Oh, there. Okay. Give me small stuff. Very forward to put up a line.
Show you the age of the one. Let's me up.
You're going to be a paiwa.
Hey!
You're going to be tao.
President Ndala!
Which was really mean dog. Eh? You won't eat your man food, Daddy. Listen, I am not your mate. You check it out here and I'm even now. Why?
President Ndala!
BP, but I'm brought up not to.
Am I your mate? Do I look like your mate?
Baby, go calm down, no.
Am I your mate? Do I look like your mate?
Hey!
President Ndala!
You slapped me, BP, but I'm brought up no too. Kimanola!
President Ndala!
You just slapped an oracle. Don't go fight.
Jesus!
Come on, go there, Papa Dia.
Mumo, dia paiwa, Mumo.
President Ndala!
Mumo, dia paiwa. Oh, boss. Bibi, fuck.
President Ndala! Hey! Udo! Neko wa perimpe! Alele! Nri na-eri ka ọ chọrọ iri. M ga-adọwapụ ya akwa na olu. Ka ọ mara na the guy bụ your guy. Hey!
He said you can't do anything, no. That he's not scared of you, that you're not his match.
Eh?
Also, he said he was just pressing my buttons anyhow.
Oh yeah! Only gun him. Oh my God! Tell him what did he do to you again?
He pressed my buttons after that. He started beating me. I said I should be calling him baby.
Baby! Only gun him now saying for your baby. It's for your baby.
Do I have option? He was beating me. Why would
It's for your baby.
I call him?
Eh, baby, one will jump. For calling him baby, one will jump. For calling him baby,
Baby, this is not good though.
one will jump.
Baby, I think you love me. You think like
I love you, and if he dead, then you should call him baby, and you call him baby. You don't know your guy. Eh? Hey, one will jump. Baby, oh yeah. Baby. No. I mean, come. Baby, it's for you, my baby. Hey! Orderly, onwugi. Rugo. Orderly, Rugo. My baby, poragi baby. Aneza, Osara baby. But Osara the baby.
No matter. You should jump like wow. Leave me, let me jump.
Hey! Just say you can go.
Up here. Up here.
The one you have to tell now, where is your son?
Where is your son?
Any problem?
Zafa jogi. Kichoka change ligia.
But no, I can change it. I've not seen my son since he left for work in the morning.
Which work?
Oh.
Listen, woman. We all know that your son doesn't do any work.
Hey, Mbam,
shut up, listen! When your son comes back, tell him to report to us. If not, if I catch him myself, sorry will be his name. One guy Piataya. I want you.
Hello, hello. Mbada.
Who knows what he has done this time? Huh? Odili will not kill me. No, if Kola will be there because they are what clear for by Jane. Oh, Ofunwa. Huh? Ofunwa your lunch, if you. How?
Makachukwu ya kama mmayo feke biko ndebe nga mputa ko nwe ba na egwu nne can you imagine ejina just the form don jazzy for nothing ozo ka na eze ka mgbara akụ kiriwe Nwachukwu. I was just chilling with my friends. A girl walked out from nowhere and gave me the insult of my life. Oh God. Nemo, I stood up. I said nothing. I respected myself and left. Now, the news everywhere is that Ejina is looking for me. That he said the girl in question is his girlfriend. Mama, the girl in question is Majo Kolo's daughter.
Oh. What a clear.
To God! Ejina! And it is Ejina.
So that's just what happened. That's just all.
Nemo, I can never lie to you.
Hey. Adema. This is just a very good opportunity to put all this rubbish to an end. Yes, I must put all this rubbish to an end. Don't worry.
Daughter, the sacrifice has been done, but it will take 7 market days to complete his journey. After 7 market days, your son will return back to you. Yeah?
Okay. No. Nora.